In the depths of the ocean, there lived a shark named Sharky. Unlike other sharks, Sharky cared a lot about dental health. Every morning, he would wake up early and brush his teeth with great care. Sharky's biggest dream was to raise awareness about dental health in the underwater world. One day, while chatting with his close friend, a turtle, he came up with a brilliant idea. "What do you think, Toby? Why don't we tell the other fish about the importance of dental health?" said Sharky excitedly. Toby loved the idea, and they began to plan together. As their first step, Sharky and Toby went to Coral City, one of the most crowded areas in the ocean. Coral City was a mesmerizing place filled with colorful corals and a variety of sea creatures. When they arrived in Coral City, Sharky climbed onto a big rock and started speaking loudly. "My dear friends, I'm Sharky. I'm here to help you with dental health. Healthy teeth mean a healthy life." At first, the fish were a bit puzzled. Brushing their teeth seemed strange and unnecessary to them. However, Sharky's sincere and determined attitude managed to capture their attention. Sharky then pulled out specially prepared toothbrushes and magical toothpaste from the large bag he had brought along. "These toothbrushes and toothpaste will strengthen your teeth and keep them healthy. If you brush your teeth regularly,